You snooze, you lose. Redskin. Yo. Freestyled on you, broke my heart. It's time to speak restoration. Got a wake up call, nothing to do with sleep deprivation. Hurt caused deep devastation, some grief, desperation. Tell you this girl's a trip, what's this week's destination? I lean in for a smooch and get a brief hesitation. Sown since Genesis, now I reap revelation. Practice what you preach, dedication. Love sick, seek medication. Put confusion in an armlock. Snoozing the alarm clock. Rubies in the charm watch. Whatever's needed, I provided. Was on duty, armed cop. You took advantage and done taken some more. Bummy thoughts, the decisions you were making was poor. What are we breaking up for? Your heart's vacant for sure. A bit chilly, gone cold, snowflakes by the shore. It's confirmed you were faking before. Real foul, flagrant with yours. Oh boy, scent smell like your fragrance, Dior. But I've shown mercy, been patient galore. Going to bed heartbroken, chest ache while I snore. One thing's for certain, I won't be waking up sore. I'm hitting snooze, getting extra rest. From excessive stress to aggressive text, blessed yes. Concerned with whom I choose to message next. You must be Elon Musk, an invested X. Catch my drift, you read my mind, Professor X. Let's stop in our tracks. Here I got it covered, yeah, I got on shower cap. Don't hit me up late night, asking to devour cat. I work mornings, won't hit snooze or take a power nap. Can't get them hours back, Redskin.